Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy here. I have here some embellishments that I made just using my scrap pieces of papers that I just don't want to throw away, and I just like to repurpose all the bits and pieces of papers that I have lying around and be able to still use them in my projects. So what I do is I just make embellishments out of them, just like these ones that I have. And I think a lot of crafters do probably the same thing, keep their scraps in a stash and then just create embellishments. I mean, there's still other ways you can use all your bits and pieces, but I like to make embellishments. They're another one of my favourite projects to make. And so what I do here, these embellishments are all basically laid out the same way, just in a different way I paper layered them. So the base is the same, and then I just decorate the on top of the base. So what I do is I've got this tray here, and I purchased this tray for my discount variety store, and it was like $2 for this acrylic tray. I purchased two of them. So what I do is with my larger scrap pieces of papers, I just cut them all down to about 1 inch by 2.5 inches, and I just cut as many as I can, and that's the base of my embellishment, which is like this one here. And then all the other little strips of papers that I have lying around, I just cut them up and just place them in there. And this in here are just some shapes that I punched out with my paper punches. So there's some butterflies, some banners, some hearts, and some bows. In this one here I've got some flower embellishments, some bling, and some papers that are fussy cut, and also like little bows that I use my die to create the bows. And what I do is I've just everything that's in this tray, I'm able to make these embellishments like these ones. And so what I can do is I can take this tray with me. I also bring this box with all the stamped word sentiments. I bring my scissors, and I bring my liquid glue, and I take it all with me, and I can take it to the lounge room. I can sit down with the family while they watch TV, and I can still craft with it while we're all together in the lounge room, and I can still make all of these embellishments with just what I've got with me in here. I could also I can go out in the veranda and sit out in the veranda while my little boy runs around and enjoy the sun, and I can still make these embellishments. So this is just another way to put your bits and pieces together if you want to keep them more compact in the one tray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple now and just show you how quickly I can or you can make them if you've got them already sort of laid out in an organised tray. So you don't need, there's not a lot of layering with these. So I'm just going to grab a piece that I'm going to make. I might just make a white one. So I've got just a plain white cardstock here. I'll just move them aside so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to find a pattern. What about this one here? I might use, oh, this one looks nice. So I can just put that there like that. I might add a flower, I think. I might use that one. I think it still needs something there. I could put that one there, that looks nice. I'll put that like that. And actually, that one here looks better, I think. Okay, so I'm going to put this gold strip in front. I might lay that as well there. And the flower. I think that looks okay. Alright, I think I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to apply some glue and just paper layer it onto that base that I've got. And stick that on there just like that. Just eyeballing it get it centered. And I'll grab this piece. I'll glue that as well. I'll just keep them nice and simple. So then these projects are just ready for me to use when I want to put them on the embellishments are ready for me if I want to put them on a project. And I don't have to worry about making them. I might just put that there. Yep, that should do it. And I can also have them ready if I want them packaged to send off into my Happy Mail or to put in my loaded envelopes. So it's just good to have them all ready. Sometimes we get stuck and you sit on your desk and you don't know what to make, and at least these are already on hand. So this one's done. That was pretty quick, and I can actually turn it that way. I think it's that way. Yeah, so that's another little embellishment ready to go on a project. I'll just make one more. So that was pretty quick. I'll just grab another of my little bases here. Let me just see what I've got. I might. No, this one here is. Oh, this one's already sort of pre-cut already. So I might use this one. This one's already got a little banner look to it already. I might find another piece of paper to layer it. So I've only got like a couple of pieces that I've used to layer the base of my embellishment. And that one's not bright enough. I just wanted a nice pop colour. I might have to use another gold one. I think I might use a gold. And I see this flower that I fussy cut. Now that looks nice. What do you think? I think that looks pretty okay. What else? It looks like I need something else. I might put a word sentiment with that one. So these words here that I've just used, I've got some clear stamps with these words, and I just stamped them on some white cardstock. So I might just put here, this one says hello sunshine. I'll just use that one. Just quickly cut that up. Some of them I put some word sentiments, some of them I just keep them plain because I don't know what I'm going to use them for. So just have a look. Yeah, okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to get some glue. So yeah, I just wanted to just share with you how I keep some of my scrap pieces of paper, and another easy way for me to be able to use them for embellishments and keep them in a compartment tray like this one. So I think that's a nice handy way to keep them all together. And I'll just apply glue to that, and I'll stick this flower to the corner. Just like that. I think that looks quite pretty. I like this one. And the word sentiment. I hope I'm not off camera here. I feel like I'm off camera. I'll just stick that there. Along there. There we go. That doesn't look too bad. I'm just going to trim off this little bit here. I might leave it out a little bit, sticking out there. And that's another embellishment done. That's pretty quick and easy. So that's just how easy it is if you want to make these embellishments. So I just wanted to share this with you and just share a few of my embellishment projects and what I do with some of my scrap papers. So yeah, just thought this is just a little tip for you to maybe do the same thing, and you can carry it around with you wherever you need to. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little project share here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.